Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11 step by step. Enabling Bluetooth allows you to connect wireless devices such as headphones, speakers, keyboards, mice, and more. So let's get started. First, click on the Start button on your Windows 11 taskbar. Next, click on Settings. In the Settings window, select Bluetooth and Devices from the menu on the left. At the top of the page, you'll see the Bluetooth option. Click the toggle switch to turn Bluetooth on. Once Bluetooth is enabled, your computer will begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. If you want to connect a new device, make sure it's turned on and in pairing mode. Then click Add Device at the top of the Bluetooth and Devices page. In the pop-up window, select Bluetooth. Wait a few moments while Windows searches for available devices. When your device appears in the list, click on its name. If prompted, confirm the pairing code on both your computer and the Bluetooth device. After a few seconds, Windows will notify you that the device has been connected successfully. You can now start using your Bluetooth device with your Windows 11 computer. If you ever want to disconnect or remove a device, return to the Bluetooth and Devices page, click the three dots next to the device, and choose Disconnect or Remove Device. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Bluetooth on Windows 11 and connected a Bluetooth device. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.